Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix a TikTok account permanently banned. So let's say you got your TikTok account permanently banned. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover it. But if you guys got your account banned because you violated the community guidelines of TikTok by doing something wrong, or like you bullied somebody, or you uploaded content which was harmful for TikTok viewers and you got banned, then you can't do anything. It's a permanent ban. But this video is for those people who got banned by mistake. Let's say you didn't do anything but still your account got banned. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So first time when you open your TikTok and your account got banned, you're gonna get this notification over here at the top. Your account was permanently banned. If you believe this was a mistake, you can submit to appeal. Alright, so TikTok is gonna give you this information. Alright, so in this case what you want to do is, if you click on OK, your account is banned, it's gone. But what you want to do is you want to click on versus appeal. Now why we want to click on appeal is, since we didn't do anything wrong but we still got our account banned, we want to contact the support or the staff of TikTok. So you want to click on appeal and you want to write, my TikTok account got banned for no reason. I didn't do anything wrong. If there was a reason behind why my TikTok account got banned, can you please tell me? And you can just write your email at the bottom over there and write thank you. After you do that, send the appeal to TikTok. And if you really didn't do anything wrong, they're gonna send you a mail in whichever email you wrote over there saying your account was reactivated, sorry for the inconveniency, and you can open your account again. But if your account was banned for like something, or like you did something wrong, then they're gonna give you the reason. But sometimes they don't give you the reason, they just blatantly ignore your appeal. But if you didn't do anything, then they're gonna try to recover your account again. So this is the only way you guys can recover your TikTok account, by appealing. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can get your permanently banned account back. So this works 50% of the time. The other 50% of the time it doesn't work. I don't know why, but this is the only working way. Don't go to a random website and give your login details. All right, they might do something bad or like wrong with it. This is the only working way. The other way is to contact the staff of TikTok by just going to Google or searching for a TikTok staff number, and they're gonna give you a number. You can call them and talk with them. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can do it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.